Welcome to Lone Wolf Outdoor Survival. My name's Bob. Thanks for joining me. Today we're going to take a look at a new product that I picked up from Leatherman. It's the Leatherman tool pouch. But first, before we do, I want to remind everyone, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell button to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So we're going to do a little unboxing of this together. Here is the box that it comes in. And on the front of it, it says, over here, it says recycled PET nylon shell, 7 internal pockets, anti-theft zippered loop, and here's the back of it. So we'll go ahead and open this up together and take a look at it. And guys, this is a nice little EDC tool pouch, and on the front of it, it has their logo on it, Leatherman. At the top of it, it's got a little loop on the top. On the side here where the zipper is, that's your anti-theft zippered loop. And on the back of it, it has a loop here at the top of it. And you've got your belt loop right here, and a loop here at the bottom of it. You can carry this right on your belt. And here's the inside of it. It's got a larger pocket right here, and it's got a little place right here where you can carry your ratchet driver in it. And there's another one here, right in here. There's another one over here. So it's got like the larger one, 1, 2, 3, 4. And you've got one over here. And there's another smaller one right here. And you've got a larger one back here. And your Leatherman multi-tool will fit perfectly in this thing. And you got extra room for your bits. But yeah, guys, what my idea was with this thing was to use it for an EDC belt pouch to carry maybe a little fire kit in it or a little survival kit. And I also have an Altoids tin here to show you that you can put an Altoids tin in here and it fits perfectly in here. Right here in the center of it. There we go. Right there in the center. And you still got plenty of room in there to carry your ferrule rod in there. If you wanted to carry that in there with your little fire kit. Or you can put it over here in this pocket. And you got all that space right there in the center of it. Or you could even carry a little survival kit in here. Trying to fit it in the other side there. See, it'll fit perfectly over there or on this side, and that little pocket right there. You could put your Altoids tin in either side, on this side or this side, and you could still put maybe your Leatherman in there, or you could put your little fire kit on this side, your little survival kit over here, But that's what my idea was with this pouch, to carry maybe a little small fire kit or a survival kit, and then maybe my ferro rod in it, and just carry it right here on my belt. So yeah, guys, let me know what you think about this pouch in the comment section, and I'll leave a link to their website in the description box below where you can pick up one of these if you want to pick up one. So yeah, leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about it. Stay equipped, stay prepared. More videos coming soon. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Take care.